I stopped watching news because of these very depressing items that keep flashing to our faces to remind us how unequal and how unjust we are in our society. That a child who has qualified to go to the university can be there crying, saying, look, I've been put in band 5. Is it band 5? When I ought to be in band 1, and therefore I cannot afford to go to the university. And when you follow, you find the person, the child of a well-to-do family has been put in band 1. When you follow, you also find that there is bursary fund given from the taxpayers' money, given to the governor, given to the women rep, given to the MP through CDF, given to the MCA. I hope none of them is here because they are going to lynch me. Now, all those bursaries, how are they disbursed? Why wouldn't you put them in education and make education free for all? So, this, we are so learned, we have all the wisdom of the Solomon, but if the other agencies are not working properly, they will affect us, isn't it? So we must move together, we must empower each other, we must look at where the challenges are, and we must address those challenges and look for solutions. Replicate what happened in Nakuru. This was a church-run initiative to have peace in our communities. And they gave us many, many examples of the cases that have been settled in that dispute resolution center in Nakuru. And I'm working very hard to make sure that in every county we have court annex mediation. In every court station we have a court annex mediation. We have alternative justice ukumbi, that's what we call them. So that people can be able to sit on a round table by the fire the way we used to do before, and they find out the root cause of the problem and they try to address the problem. Because we want justice to be a lived experience, not an abstract one which you chase in the courts for years on end. It must be available when you need it and immediately. Wherever you are working, wherever your churches are, wherever your ministries are, if you can second pastors in our court stations so that they can give spiritual nourishment to the people who work in the judiciary and carry a lot of burdens, and also help with these mediations and AJS, we